Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to edit product titles in the collection page in your Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing we need to do here is we need to go to our admin site, which is going to be shopify.com, and from there just log in. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to verify our site here. So let's go ahead and open up our site here. And typically when we go to our catalogs here, usually this is where you'll be able to see your collection. So depending on what you set on your navigation. So currently I set this collection. So typically this is where you'll be able to see your collection. So whenever you click on a collection here, you should be able to see those set of products under that specific collection. As you can see on art collection, I have stickers and paintings here. So if you want to change the name for this specific page here, there is a few things that you should know here. Now, for you to change the name itself here, so what we need to do here is just basically update your collection. So typically the title itself is going to adopt the name of that collection. So if you want to change the title, you also have to change the name of that collection itself. Now to do that, what we need to do is we need to go to products here, go to collections, and other collections, look for that specific collection that you want to edit. Now for example, like we saw before, we have our collection. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to update the title. So maybe we want to add an S on this one. So let's go ahead and click on save. And just to give you an idea, this is our collection. So let's go back into home here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to reload our site again and again. It might not immediately take effect. So in this case, let's just reload this one until we get the updated one. So once you've reloaded it properly and the changes takes effect, you should be able to see the updated one. So as you can see, this is going to be our collection. So when you click on it, it's going to change the title itself to our collection since we added an S on the very end. But yeah, so that's how you change or edit product titles in the collection page in your Shopify store. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.